Alright folks, we're now leaving Oakland Jack London Square Station. I'm on San Joaquin train 718 from Oakland Jack London Square to Antioch, and it will continue to Bakersfield. This train will be making stops from Oakland Jack London Square, Emeryville, Berkeley, This train making stops from Oakland Jack London Square, Emeryville, Richmond, Martinez, Antioch, Stockton, Modesto, Turlock-Denier, Merced, Madera, Fresno, Hanford, Corcoran, Wasco, and Bakersfield. There's my boy Dominic right here. Hey. So, about to pass through the Oakland yard in a little bit. There's Ben & Jerry's ice cream place. Nice. Live in Oakland, folks. Thank you all for watching. I'm out. Till next time.